Yes, this one. Wow, what a poetic ending. You know, I really appreciate the little details such as water ripples. They can totally just remove the water and have the character to land there instead of worrying about water simulations. Actually, they probably didn't even do the water simulation. That would be an overkill for something this far. So they definitely just faked it, either with a collision deformer or some sort of vertex map for the white foam. Oh, wait! Speaking of details, the girl's foot actually clipped into the landscape. Do you guys see this?